Alright, so today I want to talk about what is a model. And I'm specifically talking about what is a model in physics, or really in science in general. Okay? And a model is something that helps us understand a topic or concept that would be too difficult to understand otherwise. So a good example of this is the planetary model of electron orbits. Okay, so electrons, and we're going to represent them in yellow, are just these small little tiny particles that make up an atom. And we can't see electrons, but in order to help understand them and in order to help study them, what you'll learn about next year is the planetary model of electron orbits. So in this model, the electrons, which are in yellow, orbit the protons, which I'm drawing in blue here, and the neutrons, which I'll draw in kind of a lighter shade of blue here. And in this model, right, so we have this clump of, let me label it here for you, protons and neutrons, and orbiting them we have our electrons. Okay? And so what I've drawn for you right here is what makes up an atom. And, let me even draw here, right? Oops. Let's change the color. That these, electrons are actually kind of moving around, orbiting, right? Just like, the planets orbit the sun, they're orbiting the protons and the neutrons, right? This last one here, okay? So this actually isn't necessarily 100% how it looks, right? But we can't actually, zoom in, close enough to actually see what it looks like, so we represent it with a model.